Stop scrolling. Everyone thinks Elon Musk is one of the richest people ever. But what if I told you there was a man so wealthy that historians still struggle to measure his fortune? A king whose wealth may have surpassed every modern billionaire. His name was Mansa Musa. He ruled the Mali Empire, one of the most powerful kingdoms in Africa. His empire controlled vast amounts of gold, but what made him famous wasn't just how much gold he owned, it was what he did with it. During a famous journey across Africa and the Middle East, Mansa Musa traveled with a massive caravan. Thousands of people accompanied him. Servants, guards, officials, and camels loaded with gold. Wherever he went, he shared gold generously. He gave it to the poor. He gave it to merchants. He gave it to entire communities. According to historical accounts, he distributed so much gold that it affected local economies. The value of gold reportedly dropped because there was suddenly so much of it in circulation. Imagine being so rich that your spending changes the economy of an entire region. Even today, experts debate how much Mansa Musa was actually worth. Some believe his fortune would equal hundreds of billions of dollars. Others say his wealth was simply too large to calculate. More than 700 years later, his name is still remembered around the world. Not as a warrior, not as an inventor, but as the richest man who may have ever lived. And that's why Mansa Musa remains one of history's greatest legends. Follow for the next secret file.